I'm Ben, I'm a first year law student and I live in Glenamara House. It does literally feel like a home away from home. For my room, I've included lots of different books on the shelves that I enjoy reading, as well as little memories that I picked up along the way on my notice board.
I'm Samantha here at Northumbria. I am taking exercise science. I have purchased some bedding that kind of represents my style like it did back home.
Glenamara accommodation of course has a shared bathroom along with sink and toilet, and this is in fact quite easy to use along with the rest of my flatmates. The fact that the kitchen is rather big and spacious means that it is a really nice communal space, so I get to talk to everybody, and it is generally a really nice social atmosphere.
If we're cooking our meals around the same time or if we're eating around the same time, we'll sit at the kitchen table and talk with each other.
Glenamara has a really nice atmosphere. It's got lots of nice people from lots of different backgrounds and there's a lot of variety.
I've actually been able to settle in a lot better than what I initially thought. It helps me feel more settled in and more like I am at home. It's just a really quick walk away from uni, and just in general, like you can get to pretty much anywhere in about a 15-minute walk.
I think that Glenamara has really helped me settle in during my university life. As well as the community itself, I certainly recommend checking out Glenamara accommodation.
I would recommend living at Glenamara House. I've been enjoying it a lot and I'm really glad that I made this my choice for my accommodation.